Today, the U.S. Supreme Court heard two highly anticipated cases on whether federal civil rights law applies to members of the LGBTQ community.
And the cases will determine if it's legal under existing federal law to fire an employee based on sexual orientation or gender identity. In some parts of West Virginia, you can be fired. We first told you about these cases last week. 13 News reporter Hannah Getz has the story.
LGBTQ advocates were in place early Tuesday morning, ready for the Supreme Court to hear historic workplace rights cases.
These cases are probably as significant as the marriage equality case a few years ago.
The justices will hear in total 3 workplace discrimination lawsuits to determine if an employer can fire someone on the basis of gender identity or sexual orientation. The argument is whether Title VII of the Civil Rights Act, which says you can't be fired because of your sex, applies to sexual orientation or gender identity. John Bursch is arguing on behalf of 2 employers who fired a transgender employee for violating their dress code. He says misinterpreting the word sex would set a dangerous precedent.
It can hurt women and girls in athletics. It can impact people in their bodily privacy spaces.
Chris Walters is a former West Virginia state senator and current Kanawha County business owner. He's concerned that because only roughly 11% of the state's population is currently covered by ordinances protecting against the discrimination of LGBTQ people, the state needs to do more.
Walters also says while West Virginia is wild and wonderful, it's also welcoming, and a non-discrimination act would be key for people to see that.
It's something he says the legislature needs to consider because only 12 West Virginia communities have laws protecting against the discrimination.
We want people to feel welcome to come here and open up shop, open up an entrepreneurship, a small business, and if they know that we're welcoming to everybody, we have a higher chance of succeeding as a state.
He and the LGBTQ community have eyes on what the nation's highest court rules. In Charleston, I'm Hannah Getz, 13 News, working for you.
And a decision on the case is not expected until early summer 2020. Fairness West Virginia pushed a non-discrimination bill this year. It failed. They plan on introducing another similar measure in 2020.